Hey guys, what is going on? Today we're going to be taking a look at a viewer who actually tried one of the suggestions in one of my videos that I put up about a week or two ago, which was talking all about the water that you're using for your hair system and how it might be affecting it, possibly to the detriment of your hair system and making it feel brittle, making it feel lifeless, unmanageable, all this kind of stuff. Now, inside of the video, I talk about how hard water can really affect your hair system, and one of the solutions for that is getting a water softener and then some clarifying shampoo and conditioner, which can really make the world of difference. It's what I've been doing lately, and the days that I don't, man, it's amazing how much it affects my hair. Like over the past 5 days or so, I haven't done that as a test, and it's really caused a lot of those same like dry and brittle feelings to come back. So every single time I do it, it works for me. But I wanted to show you guys real quick an email that I got of a viewer who actually decided to try this stuff out and his results. So I hope you guys follow along and you see what's going on with this guy. So he says, I watched your video regarding the shower water filter, shampoo and conditioner you were using. I had been having issues with my system in regards to finding the right products to use, and frankly, no matter what I was using, it felt dry, brittle, and lifeless. After watching your video, I thought, what the heck do I have to lose? I went on Amazon and I ordered all three. So all three products that he's talking about are the shampoo that is a clarifying shampoo, the conditioner, and then the hard water filter, which I can link you guys to in the description below. He said, in the first shower, I could tell a significant difference, and every shower after has been an improvement and feels better, looks better, has more body, and believe it or not, even more control. I have a longer haircut on my system. None of it was too expensive, and honestly, it would have been worth it at more than twice the cost for the difference that it made. I completely agree with this guy. Like, I've gone from feeling like about 3 to 4 weeks into having my system, which I usually wear for 3 to 4 months, or I can get out of that they start getting a little bit dry, a little bit brittle, a little bit lifeless, and they just kind of have this kind of like fart noise type feel to it, just not that great. But now that I've been doing this, it's dramatically affected how these hair systems feel on me. And I'm just, man, I'm in love with it. So anyways, he goes on to say that I'm anxiously awaiting the arrival of my next system. Decided to go with 18 inches. Always wanted long hair my entire life, and now I get the chance to do it, knowing I've found the right products to care for and manage the system. Makes me feel so much better. This is why I continue to watch your video. As you learn and take chances, I can enjoy this journey and experience with less hesitation. I'm considering my next system to be fully customized full cap system to see the difference and experiment with different styles altogether. I know that everyone can afford to have fun and experiment, and like I am, while I'm not made of money, I can play with different looks and see what works best for me. Styles I could never have even considered back when I had hair. At 50, I'm having fun and reliving parts of my early 20s when I lost it all. So I love what this guy is talking about inside of this, because it's really cool to see. He's found like a renewed vigor for life and the way that he looks, which I'm all about. You guys know I love this stuff. When a man can turn around and feel better about himself, he starts taking more chances in his own life, going after things he wants professionally, relationally, all this kind of stuff. What I think is interesting is this guy is now going to try like an 18-inch long hair system. He's going to try long hair, which is super cool. Which I think it's really important to find the right products and be able to manage longer hair than short hair. Short hair, you can kind of get away with it a little bit more, but the longer it is, it really starts feeling different. So anyways, guys, I wasn't the first to come up with this idea. So I guess Curtis over at MHE talked about this in his video a while back, which I deleted a comment from the past video, but a viewer said that I was a joke for saying that I was the first one to figure it out. I just didn't know, but I think it's a really great tip, and I wish I knew about it like 2 years ago when I first started wearing a hair system, because it's dramatically, like, it has been maybe the #1 game changer as far as like hair system maintenance that I have found. Get a hard water softener, get those shampoo and conditioners. You're not going to regret it. I'm going to actually reach out to the makers of the shampoo and conditioner, see if they want to like strike up a deal to sponsor the channel and stuff like that, because I think I might exclusively use that as like my go-to shampoo and conditioner. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to like reach out to them now, have a conversation about the product, how it can be used, all that kind of fun stuff. Anyways, take care, guys. Hope you're well.